For the past 7 days, I have been in the trenches exploring techniques for how to hack growth, engagement, and lead generation on social media. And what I've come up with and what I'm going to share with you today is how to build a lead gen agent that interfaces with your Instagram account. First, let me pay my respects and say that I watched a ton of videos from creators like Liam Otley, Randy Mitchak, Jordan Wouters, and Mark Kashef, amongst others, in order to figure this all out. So big shout out to them and definitely go check out their content. Let me now give you a quick demo of this application in action so you can decide for yourself if watching this entire video is going to be worth it for you and your business. Here I have 2 Instagram accounts open that I own. On the left is the CMD Labs Instagram account, and on the right is the Caligo.io Instagram account. I have a lead gen agent installed on the CMD Labs Instagram account. So if I come over to Messages, General, and then open up the DM with Caligo.io, and then if on the Caligo.io Instagram account, I come over to Messages, then open up the DM with CMD Labs. Let's see what happens when we send messages. So let's start off simple. Hello. Hello, how can I assist you today? So let's say I'd like to book a consultation. Great. Tell me a bit more. Also provide your email and phone. So I'll say I'd like a lead gen agent, and then my email and phone. And here's the kicker. Now that I've provided the contact details, here is a spreadsheet where they will be collected. So if this works, the agent will record the lead into the spreadsheet. You see it just did, right? We have some notes about what's going on too. So we can use this in a number of ways going forward. And we should also get a response back here. There we go. Thank you. I scheduled the consultation. Is there anything else I can assist you with today? No. Appreciate it. Right. And that's pretty much what we're going to be building here.